It's a Figuarts and a Power Ranger. It's Hyper Shinken Red. And it's the Guru.
Hello. I guess the first thing I'll say is I'm gonna have a lot of Jadens by the time I'm done buying his toys. They're coming out with a black jacketed one too, and I am definitely gonna get that, so be on the lookout. This isn't his stand. It's gonna be the yellow stand to the Akiba Rangers over here. They all came together, the stands, that is. I'll start off with something I don't like, is it's kind of hard for him to hold his sword. Like his grips just don't seem to want to do it. I don't know what goes in the end of the sword, like the sword part here either. Other than that, he's pretty dead on with the rest of the figures. Posability, all that good stuff. Again, the only problem is his fist doesn't seem to want to hold such a heavy sword. Just like the other Jadens won't hold their gigantic swords, which I guess kind of makes sense, because they're just so big. So far, everyone I've talked to likes the white one better. Just regular old Shinken. This whatever here. Which, I can understand. White looks good with the red. And here's comparison, I guess I'll do that. Now this white Jaden here, he didn't come with both of these swords. I just put in an extra one, just because. Now let's check out the backs. So I've already got like this one, the girl, and then the regular one. So I got 4. So after I get that last black coated one, it'll be 5. It's an epic amount of this same toy. But there's always a good side to having more than one of the same toy. And the good side is they get jealous, and one of them wants to know who's the best. So here is where we can allow them to find out. Rangers, he's back. Decker's coming for me. He's coming for all of us. He wants to prove that Zorimasa's the best. I say we let him prove it. Coolest part about his sword was that he can kind of just swing it like that much, and he'll go like a full spiral around this entire place and just tear everyone else up on demand. So, kind of stinks, because in my head, like, I can see that, but you guys can't. I'll put his arm out like this so you guys can see how fast his sword falls out of his hand. They both got disarmed at the same time. See, now he doesn't have his sword, though. I wonder if he can hold his. Oh, yeah. That's why you get all the Figuarts right there. That's a boss sword. I've changed my mind. I need to see if my Oriyamasa is strong enough to destroy you, Jaden's. With such a tiny reach, you'll never get to me, Jaden. Heck, you don't even have your sword no more. Let's not fight. You're a girl. Let's be partners. Oh, right. Oh, yeah. Double team. No! Looks like everyone else was right. I'm the cooler looking one.
Go Orimasa.